fall is here. Can you guys feel it? Yeah, and with fall, we love getting in the kitchen and doing some of our favorite recipes. Today, we're making apple sausage with apples, celery, stuffing with cheese on top. Oh, doesn't that sound so good?
So yummy.
What are some of your favorite recipes?
I like spicy carrot soup.
Oh, yeah, that sounds good.
I
Sally?
made the most amazing meatloaf.
Robin?
Actually, acorn squash soup.
Oh, yeah, that sounds good. That settles well.
Make a mean apple cobbler.
And one of my favorites is an artichoke dip in the French bowl. Tell us what one of your favorite recipes are. We look forward to seeing you this fall. Come on up to Tahoe.